Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So happy to have you here. If you are new, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Shannon. I do lots of plus size fashion, some beauty, some vlog, stuff like that here on my channel. So if you are into it, subscribe, let's be friends. Today we're doing a Fashion Nova haul. It is a DIY Halloween costume haul. I don't know about you, but I honestly don't love spending money on Halloween costumes, but I love putting together a Halloween costume that I can get like a new dress, a new outfit that I would wear on a regular day, but I'm also able to kind of spice it up with accessories for Halloween. So that's what I've done today. I've got 5 different ones for you. If you guys have any questions about my measurements, my sizing, my height, it's all down below in the description box for you, as well as links to every single item in this haul. They're not affiliate links, but there is a click counter link at the top of the description box that just lets Fashion Nova know that I sent you so I can keep working with them. But yeah, everything in this haul is going to be a size 3X, and let's get into it. Let's do this. All right, babe, so here is the first dress. How cute is this? I felt like this really screamed fairy vibe, so I decided to grab this guy, and I am going to pair it with some fairy wings, which I will show you in just a moment. This dress is super stretchy as it is mesh. Of course, you can wear a shaper if you want. Shapers aren't the most comfortable thing in the world, so I'm not a big shaper fan, especially because I have arthritis, and I think the belly should be free. If you were down with the belly being free, free that belly, girl. But I think this is so cute. I love the sleeves. I love like the seaming on the edges. You guys know I love I love a good like bell sleeve. I just think it's so cute. I feel like I could go like frolic through the forest in this and feel like an actual fairy. So I think this is super cute. They do have multiple pairs of wings on there. They've got butterfly wings, they've got different fairy wings, and they have been running a 50% off Halloween sale, and that includes their accessories. So definitely check that out. They also are always running sales on all of their clothing. So you'll probably be able to get a dress that you're going to want to wear after Halloween and some cute accessories. Let's pop on these wings. So these are the iridescent glitter fairy wings. They are from Leg Avenue. If you decide to do something strapless, they do have clear straps, which I think are really cute. They're also adjustable straps, which I really like. Here, I'm gonna pop these on and be right back. All right, loves, here are the fairy wings. I feel like it would be easier if you had someone to kind of adjust it on your back, but they are so cute. Super cute. And again, they do have these clear straps to adjust them. Adorable. And they do have multiple wings if these are not your vibe, and they do have also some really pretty iridescent dresses. So if you're thinking like metallic, ooh, these would be perfect. Okay, next we are going to try on a little devil costume. Look at this dress. Are you kidding? I'll be right back. All right, babe, so here is the devil costume. It is a little bit of a shorty. I am just under 5'9" though, so I am a tall bean, keep that in mind. But I would just like wear some little booty shorts under this. It does cover my butt, or just like some full coverage tights is my recommendation. It's super, it is really fun. You can dance with it. There are sequins all along the sides, which matches this set perfectly. It comes with the horns, the wings, and the little devil pitchfork. Super cute. This is the Red Devil kit from Music Leg. So again, this guy is available on Fashion Nova, and they're all super affordable. But yeah, this is super cute. Here is a look at the wings. This one is fun. You can always go on there and just like search red dresses, and maybe you can find one that you like if you're thinking about doing a devil costume. It's always an easy go-to. One of my faves. Okay, next we have a witch costume, but it is not your conventional colored witch costume, which I thought was really fun. So I'm gonna pop that on and be right back. All right, love, so here is the dress. They definitely had some more full coverage green, like emerald green velvet dresses, but I thought this one was so cool with the one shoulder and the boning, and it just looks so cute. So I wanted to try it. I love this color. I think it is so beautiful, and of course this was inspired by a witch hat I found in the accessories section. Let me show you. How fun is this? It does come in another color. I believe it was a red, so if you want to be like a dark red kind of witch, so cute. This is by Leg Avenue, and it's just supposed to be kind of a wonky witch hat. Let's see. There is some wire. It is going to be a little extra wonky because it just came out of the package. I'm going to assume that's the back. I wore my hair up, which probably wasn't the best, but look how cute this is. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. And you, of course, can wear this dress any other time. Like I said, I love the ruching on it. It's actually really comfortable. I just think the top of it's so cute. And because it is a snugger fit and it's like hugging my booty, I don't feel like I'm going to be coming out of anything. You know what I'm saying? So this one's really cute, really fun. Maybe my favorite so far. But I have a feeling this next one's going to be my absolute favorite. When I saw this dress, I was like, I have to find an accessory to match that because that dress is so much fun. So perfect for Halloween. It's a little bit over the top, but in the best way. And they had these bunny ears that also had jewels on them. So I can't wait to see how this looks. All right, love. So here's the next one. Sadly, I cannot get this zipped on my own. I don't think it's going to fit, honestly, which is a bummer. So definitely make sure you're a few inches smaller than I am. If you want to check out this dress, it is non-stretch, which, you know, that's my bad, but it was so cute. I just had to try it. I love that it's like shaped, and I love that it's covered in rhinestones. So cute. These little straps are stretchy. I don't know. I'm also a little bit warm in here, so it makes it even more difficult when something is non-stretched to like wiggle into it. But this does have quite a defined waist, which I do not, so that's okay. That's okay, but it's such a cute dress. Are you kidding? I just, you know, I had to give it a go. I would say like 90% of the dresses on Fashion Nova will fit you if you are the same size that I am. I normally go for stretch ones, but again, I just wanted to try this one because I thought this would be so stinking cute. And then of course the bunny ears are very cute. They will go with any sort of like rhinestoney dress. You can also bend them. They have wire in them, so if you want to be like, I don't know, a curious rabbit, you can. These are really cute. So love the dress. Just wish it fit, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, last but not least, we do have an angel costume, which I'm really excited about. It feels stretchy. It's going to be the showstopper. Fingers crossed. I can't cross these fingers very well, but fingers crossed. All right, babes. So how beautiful is this? The only downside is there is a built-in, well, it depends on who you are. If you are me, by the way, I'm wearing black underwear and you can see them because I had to cut the bodysuit that's inside. It does have some stretch to it, but I have a long torso and there was no way, especially by myself, I was going to get it zipped and up in the right place on my body. So just, you know, keep that in mind. I would just honestly get some full coverage white underwear and wear underneath this. That would be my plan, but the dress is absolutely stunning. I do believe it also comes in black. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It is a perfect angel costume, but I did get these gold wings. They also have silver. And they also have a really big one. So they have some very unique angel wings over on the Fashion Nova website if you are looking for some. The only thing on this one is it is stretchy up here, but it's not as stretchy on the waist. And again, I am not an hourglass shape, so it is kind of rolling a little bit. But honestly, with all this poof, I don't think anyone, like if you're my same size, would even notice that it's rolled up. I just noticed because, you know, I know the waistband is there. Binks is chewing on some plastic. This is so fun. I just want to sit here and do this all day. Yeah, look how cute these wings are too. They're perfect. And honestly, I think so far, these wings are like the most comfortable ones too. There's a lot of extra room in this elastic. It's really stretchy, plus size friendly. Heck yeah. Alright, love, so that is everything for this Fashion Nova DIY Halloween costume haul. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. Maybe leave like a corresponding emoji. You can leave like a bunny, or you can leave, is there an angel? You leave a white heart? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments which one your favorite was. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description for you. And don't forget that they are having a big Halloween sale, so you will save some money. All right, babes, I think that is everything. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it if you could. It does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes more. I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I do lots of plus size fashion, some booty. If you have any questions about my measurements, my height, sizing, Binks is way too entertained by what's happening right now. And this doubles as cat toy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. That was too much, baby. That was too much. Oh my goodness. Binks has been at my feet. He can tell that I'm stressed out today because I'm leaving town tomorrow and he will not leave me alone, and I love him so much, but I'm so scared I'm going to step on him. Excuse me, baby. Excuse me, baby. Excuse me, baby.